Here I have Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the accessibility section, and then to the Talkback. And that's how you can enable this feature. So after that, Talkback tutorial starts.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback page.
And as you can hear, it starts to talk like non-stop. So like what you should know that in a Talkback, to perform any action or select any option, you have to firstly tap on it and then double tap on it, just like this. So if you want to disable Talkback, double tap here, then once again, and that's how you can turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.